Welcome to this lesson on measuring length in geometry. Today, we will learn exactly how to calculate the distance between any 2 points. Whether you are working on a piece of paper or building a video game world, understanding distance is fundamental. First, let's define what we are measuring. A line segment is a specific part of a line bounded by 2 distinct endpoints, labeled here as A and B. Unlike an infinite line, a segment has a definite start and end, which means it has a specific length that we can measure. Let's start simple with one dimension. Imagine a number line. If we have 2 points, x1 and x2, finding the distance is straightforward. We simply count the units between them. Mathematically, this is the absolute difference between the 2 numbers. For example, the distance between -2 and 4 is 6 units. Things get more interesting in 2-dimensional space. Here, every point is defined by a pair of coordinates, x and y. Because the points can be diagonal from each other, we cannot just subtract the x values or the y values alone. We need a new way to measure the direct path connecting them. To solve this, we can break the diagonal path into 2 simpler movements, a horizontal change and a vertical change. By doing this, we create a right-angled triangle. The horizontal distance is the difference in x values, and the vertical distance is the difference in y values. Now we can use one of the most famous rules in mathematics, the Pythagorean Theorem. It states that for any right triangle, the square of the longest side, called the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other 2 sides, a and b. Let's apply this to our coordinates. We replace a with our horizontal distance, x2 minus x1. We replace b with our vertical distance, y2 minus y1. To find the distance, which is our hypotenuse, we just need to take the square root of the entire sum. And here is the result, the distance formula. Distance d equals the square root of the change in x squared plus the change in y squared. This powerful formula works for any 2 points on a flat plane. Let's try an example. We want to find the distance between point A at 1, 1 and point B at 5, 4. Our first step is to identify our coordinates. x1 is 1, y1 is 1, x2 is 5, and y2 is 4. Now we substitute these values into our formula. We subtract the x values, 5 minus 1 is 4. We subtract the y values, 4 minus 1 is 3. Next, we square them. 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9. Adding them gives 25. Finally, the square root of 25 is 5. The distance is 5 units. This isn't just for math class. This formula is the engine behind many real-world technologies. It helps GPS systems calculate the shortest route between your home and a destination, and it allows video game engines to determine how far a player is from an object. To wrap up, remember that distance is just the length of the segment connecting 2 points. By treating this segment as the hypotenuse of a right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find its length using the coordinates. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.